sometimes the way I look at this is that we talk about a lot of acronyms, but they are internal within the industry. And we
Yeah.
have to come back to what is the end customer actually wanting to do? They want to pay a seller to buy some goods. They might be a small business who just wants to be paid by a client in a different country because that's what the global digital economy has enabled. Um, I think that the key premise of PSD3 and all of the other acronyms, the really important acronyms we've talked about, are incredibly important from within the sector. But we do have to step back and say, actually, what is the end customer trying to do? How do we enable that? How do we talk to the end customer? Going back to one of the previous audience questions, how do we talk to the end customer in terms that they understand if they don't work and kind of live and breathe the types of acronyms that we just talked about? And I suspect that the most impactful providers, service providers, who will emerge in the kind of the PSD3 next era, let's call it, will be the ones that actually manage to translate this back into normal human speak for many different types of end customers in all sorts of different industries in many different countries, who just have got a fairly simple job to get done, regardless of that might whether they're an individual or